What's up, you guys? And on today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to make a lemon crusted chicken, bro. Y'all don't want to miss this. I posted this on Instagram and it went viral. So this is going to be a longer version on how to make it, and I added a few tweaks in. So I hope you guys enjoy. First, we're going to start out with a bowl, and like I said, I did make a few tweaks, but first what we're going to do is we're going to add 1/3 cup of some olive oil, because olive oil is just great. And the first tweak I'm doing is I'm going to add 3 cloves of some minced garlic. I didn't do it in my other recipe, but this is just going to enhance the flavor. Then we're going to take 1 teaspoon of some chili flakes, add that. This is just going to bring it some color and a little spice. It's not spicy. Some people were thinking it was spicy. Then we're going to take 2 teaspoons of some garlic pepper. And if you don't have garlic pepper, because some people didn't know what that was, take equal parts of some garlic powder and some black pepper and just give that a mix. Then take 1 teaspoon of some onion powder, 1 teaspoon of some garlic salt, and 1 teaspoon of some lemon pepper seasoning, because you can't go wrong with lemon pepper seasoning. It belongs on everything. So I'm super lazy to cut cilantro, so I just bought this. I don't want to hear y'all in the comments, bro, because this stuff be working. I use it all the time. I even got it with the garlic. I'm lazy. So take 1/4 cup of some cilantro or parsley. In my video, I use parsley, but honestly, it don't matter. You can switch, or you can add both of them in there. Give that a good mix until it almost looks like a chimichurri. If you know, you know. Then we're gonna use chicken thighs, because chicken thighs are so superior and they're better than chicken breasts. I don't want to hear anyone in the comments. Make sure we have that skin on, so when we put it in the oven, it gets nice and crispy. We're gonna give that a good mix until everything is well coated. And don't forget to add some of that seasoning under the skin. Like, we can't miss that part. We got to make sure everything in here is seasoned. You feel me? Just like that. Look at that boy stuffing it just like that, because I know the deal. Now we're going to take some lemons, because you can't have lemon crusted chicken without the lemons. Cut up into some lemon wheels, like I said in my video. We're going to add 5 lemon wheels, I guess, and we're going to get us an oven safe pan. Add the chicken skin side down. So when we cook this halfway, we're going to flip it with the skin side up, and we're just going to let that cook off in the oven to golden brown. Yo, I forgot to clean out this. I forgot I cleaned out this oven. Bro, this pan used to be bronze, copper. Shoot. Okay. Well, that happened, but we're gonna set our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and let that cook for 50 minutes to 1 hour. But in my video, I said cook it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes to 40 minutes, then broil for 5 minutes, which you can do that. But if you just want to set in the oven and walk away, then do what I just said. While that's cooking, let me show you how to make this bomb rice. First, you're gonna need a rice cooker. You don't need it, but if you don't have one, then what are you doing with your life? Get some basmati rice or whatever rice you like. I like basmati because it's just good. We're gonna take 1 cup of that rice, and then we're gonna take some of the drippings from the chicken, but you don't have to add this. And then we're gonna add some parsley or cilantro, and that's gonna be 1/4 cup of that. Then I'll also add 1 tablespoon of some garlic paste to be extra. 1 cup of water is necessary. And then for the second, we can do 3/4 cup of water or chicken broth. But when you film at 3 in the morning and you don't have chicken broth at home because you thought you did, but you didn't, and all the stores are closed, you're stuck. Then I added 4 cloves of garlic. I don't know what I was doing. I guess I was just experimenting, but it turned out to work, so I'm chilling. After that, there is a rice, all nice and fluffy, and that is it. By the time the rice is cooked, the chicken should be done. And no, my pan's not burnt. I don't want to hear y'all, but we're going to add some parsley or cilantro on top, and there you go. That is how you make some lemon crusted chicken. Super easy and so delicious to make, bro, that almost a baby can make this. A baby could. And if you want to air fry this, you could. I would set the temp to 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes, but times vary, so I would check up on that. As long as the chicken is cooked to 165, baby, you are perfect. But that is how you make some lemon crusted chicken. Super fire. Oh my gosh.